What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, Miss Cecee. So y'all, today is all about the affordable product. I stand by these products. These products are very inclusive. If you are fair, light, tan, medium, dark, or deep, these products have a shade for you and it will not hurt your pockets. It was like 9:30 when I started. I have not touched up none of this stuff except my lip and my liner. 7 o'clock at night that I am doing my intro. I like my oils peek through so naturally on my skin. No separation except right here where I have wearing my sunglasses. If you are looking, even if you are a beginner, makeup brands that are really inclusive and will not hurt your pocket, please continue to watch. Okay, so I'm starting off with a blank canvas, okay guys? No brows, no nothing on. Starting off with the brows first though. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. This is in the shade Dark Brunette. Y'all, this is phenomenal. I love the shades in this brow pencil. 7 shades, running from light to black at Walmart for $7.50. Waterproof and ultra fine. Very easy to work with. Very forgiving, so it's not like it's going to be waxy to where you can't take any off or anything like that. So I like to clean up my brows after putting on my brow wiz or whatever I'm using with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in a shade Warm Honey. Y'all, they have 28 shades in this concealer. Whether they're color correctors, whether you have red, darkness, blemishes, whatever the concerns are, they do have a shade for that. Starting at $3, depending on where you get it from. Very inexpensive. And I'm using the NYX in the shade Sand. This is a duo and highlight. Very nice. You can see it's almost my shade color. So that's why I like to use them both together. Using a skin smoothing. This is the Covergirl. Hey, this base business line is on point. Look how it melts into my skin. I love using this because I have large pores and I do have a lot of texture. Y'all, it smooths it out so good. It feels so silky on the skin. And it works with any other primers or any other moisturizers that you do apply. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer as well. $8 at the store. Guys, this made viral hit waves around social media. Very good product. I use a brush with this because I just like to coat the skin and like actually just put a base down like a shield. I always use, if I'm using this kind of foundation, which is a matte foundation, I like to use some kind of spray. I did never like to use sprays, but this is the Wet n Wild 3-in-1 base spray. Y'all, it smells so good and it makes your foundation look flawless. Now this matte Made Business by Covergirl. Y'all, this is in a shade D10. I normally go with T80, but y'all, look how pretty it is. You can build it up. Very medium coverage. And after building it up, it still look like your skin. It depends how many pumps. It doesn't even matter. I mean, it just still looks good. To me, if you have oily combination skin, you will love this foundation. Very good. 2 concealers. Y'all know I like the cake. I like it. I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. And I am going to be using the Ultra HD. Now, going back to that foundation, y'all, that foundation has 40 shades. Okay? 40 shades. Who doesn't want that? Okay, moving on to the concealers. NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer. I'm looking at my notes, and I think it does have 24 shades. Gonna run you right $8, maybe $8.50, depending on where you're getting it from. And the HD concealer has 23 shades. Running on $6 on the NYX website. Okay, guys, you do it up. So I like to use a cyan cash exponent with this. Now you can find this at Target. You get 2 in a pack for $7, which is crazy because you can get 1 for like $5. I mean, come on now, that's a steal, right? It's a steal. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Y'all, this have 8 shades at the Walmart for $6. 8 shades, very inclusive brand. I love Maybelline products. Y'all, this Maybelline product is bomb. It does not give you flashback. Look how pretty it is. I mean, they have from fair to deep, and when they deep shades say deep, they go deep, okay? Y'all, I very recommend this product. Not drying. It doesn't leave you cakey. It doesn't leave you having oils coming out of everywhere at the end of the day. Just by using this powder, y'all, it is so good. I really highly recommend this powder. For the price, I sure will. Going in with the Black Opal True Color Ultra Matte Foundation Powder. Y'all, not everybody carry this powder, but they do have a variety of 9 shades. Starting from fair, I was going to say light, but start from fair to deep at the Walmart for $10. Maybe give or take $9 depending on where you get it from as well. But Rite Aid, I think you can get it for $8.70 depending on the shade. Not everybody carry the same product, so using my Milani, this is the Perfect and Conceal, or shall I say the Conceal and Perfect powder. Y'all, I rave about this powder all the time. It does have 10 shades. Milani does carry a lot of inclusive, you know, variety of shades. So for the price, yes ma'am, I recommend it for $10. This is the NYX Matte Bronzer. This has 5 shades in that, okay? Very, very versatile. When I first bought this bronzer and started using it, I used it for contour. I used it for the neck area. I used it for the forehead. Y'all, I even used it for bronzing up my body, you know, my chest. So versatile. I love this shade. And the shade is actually called, I think it's called medium, maybe medium dark. I don't know, I have to put it in the description box, but y'all look how pretty this is. I'm actually using it to contour my nose. That's how versatile this is, because normally I would go for something a little bit more warmer for my nose. Nothing as cool or neutral as this, but the bomb. I'm taking this opportunity to go ahead and fill in any brows that I may have messed up, so I can go ahead and set them using my Rimmel Brow This Way. It used to be my jam and still is, because of the clear gel and anybody can use it. Very universal and it's good. Don't leave your brows crunchy or anything like that. I'm just going to go ahead and use that matte bronzer for a transition shade, because I'm not going to do a lot of eyeshadows today, but I will be using the Profusion Mixed Metals Glam Palette. Y'all, when I first purchased or even found out about Profusion, I was shocked because the pigmentation is bomb. Powdery, but when you're dealing with powdery like shades, sometimes that pigment it's a phenomenal. It's very phenomenal. It's nice. I stand by these products. $10, you can get a kit for $10 when it comes to Profusions, okay? Let's go ahead and wipe all the fallout off, you know, just to make sure everything is clean. Put a little mascara on. Normally I do this after I set my face, but you know, just go ahead and do it anyway, so I won't forget. Now using the Molten Gold, this is their highlighter by Maybelline. Y'all, this is some bomb stuff. Look how pretty that is. But I like to go on top of that with another shade. And it's kind of unusual what I go on top of it with, but it works. This is a Baked Blush by Milani. This is in the shade Rose de Aura. Y'all, I love it. I don't need it for a blush because it has the most perfect golden sparkly sheen to it, to where it just looks so good as both, as a highlighter and blush. So, you know, I just use it as that. The Milani Make It Last, guys, I've been using this for the longest. 12 hour, it says the claims are correct. Believe me, inexpensive, but so bomb. So bomb. These eyelashes I'm using, I got it from Dollar General for like $2 or $3. Broadway lashes, I don't know if you guys know about Broadway, but their lashes are good. Yeah, very inexpensive. This is the NYX Suede lip liner in the shade Vintage. I'm going to do that first, and then I'm going to go with the Armor Shine by Milani in the lip gloss in the shade Addiction. I'm going to go on top of that in the shade Delight. All there is next is my inner corner highlight, which I am going to be using that same highlighter by Maybelline, the Molten Gold, and that will conclude this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please make sure you do that before you leave. And hit the notification bell right beside it so you will get all of my newest uploads. And let me know how you feel about these products that I use. Are you liking them? Do you not like them? Do you pay for them? Do they work for you? Just holler at me in the comment section. And I will see you guys on my next upload. Mwah.